Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast by Mr. B, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mr. B. Hello to all our wonderful listeners out there.
It's so good to be here today. How are you today, Mr. B?
I'm doing fantastic. Thank you. I have my giant coffee and the sun is shining.
Oh, wonderful. I'm super happy too.
You're always happy, Anna. It's great to be here with you and everyone listening.
It really is. And we're so happy you're all here with us.
Yes. But wait, Anna, before we start our chat, we have a small favor to ask.
Oh, yes, a very important favor.
Please take a moment to subscribe to Podcast by Mr. B.
Yes, please do. Hit that subscribe button.
And if you like our podcast, please give this episode a like, a big thumbs up.
Yes, and if you can, please share it with your friends and family.
It helps our channel grow, and we can make more podcasts for you.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Okay, Anna, so what's our topic today?
Today, our topic is just talking.
Just talking? I can do that.
Yes, like friends. This is daily English conversation practice.
Ah, a chat. I love this. This is real English.
Exactly. So, Mr. B, how was your weekend?
My weekend? It was okay.
Just okay? Not amazing?
Well, Saturday was a little disastrous.
Disastrous? Oh no, what happened?
I lost my phone.
You lost your phone? Mr. B.
I know, my phone. My whole life is in that phone.
That's terrible. Where did you lose it?
I had no idea. That was the problem.
Oh dear. So what did you do?
I looked everywhere. I was like a detective.
Where did you look?
First, I looked on the kitchen counter.
Okay, the counter. Was it there?
No phone.
Then what?
Then I looked in my jacket pockets. Nothing.
No phone in the pockets.
Then I looked in my backpack. No phone.
This is like a mystery movie.
I looked under the sofa cushions.
Under the cushions. That's a good place to look.
Nothing. I even looked in the bathroom.
The bathroom? Why would it be there?
I don't know. I was desperate.
So where was it? Did you find it?
Yes, I found it. Finally.
Phew, thank goodness. Where was it?
This is so embarrassing.
Tell me.
It was in the freezer.
The freezer?
Yes, the freezer, next to the ice cream.
How did it get in the freezer?
I have no idea. I think I came home with groceries, opened the freezer, and just put my phone in there.
Oh my goodness, that's hilarious.
I looked for 2 hours.
2 hours, and it was freezing the whole time?
Yes, my phone was frozen, like a phone popsicle.
A phone popsicle. I'm dying.
The screen was all foggy when I took it out.
Did it still work?
Thankfully, yes, after it warmed up.
Well, I'm very happy you found your frozen phone.
Me too. So, that was my Saturday adventure.
That's an amazing story.
What about you, Anna? How was your weekend? Please tell me it was better than mine.
Yes, definitely better. I didn't freeze any electronics.
Good. That's a low bar.
Haha. Yes, my weekend was really nice. I visited my family on Saturday.
Oh, that's lovely. Your parents?
Yes, my mom, my dad, and my younger brother Tom.
You have a brother? I didn't know that.
Yes, Tom is 19. He's in university.
Cool. That sounds fun.
We all cooked lunch together.
Oh, cooking. I love cooking. What did you make?
We made homemade pizza.
Pizza. I love pizza.
Me too. It's my absolute favorite food.
What kind of pizza?
We made 3 different kinds. One with pepperoni,
Ooh, pepperoni is classic.
one with mushrooms and peppers,
That sounds delicious.
and one just with cheese, my favorite.
Just cheese. Simple and perfect.
Exactly. We made the dough from scratch.
From scratch? Wow, that's impressive.
It was so fun. We threw the dough in the air.
Like in the movies?
Yes, my brother dropped it on the floor.
No.
Yes, we all laughed so hard.
5-second rule?
No, we made a new one, but it was hilarious.
That sounds like such a fun day.
It was. We ate pizza, we talked, we laughed. Perfect Saturday.
That sounds way better than my freezer phone adventure.
Yes. So what did you do on Sunday?
Sunday was much better. I stayed home and relaxed.
That's nice sometimes.
Yes, I binge-watched a TV series.
Ooh, what series?
It's a detective show. Very exciting.
Is it good?
So good. I watched 6 episodes in a row.
6 episodes. That's a serious binge.
I couldn't stop. I was like, just one more episode. And then, suddenly, it was midnight.
That happens to me all the time.
What about you Sunday? What did you do?
Sunday, I stayed home too. I had a lazy day.
Lazy days are the best.
I agree. I read my book.
What book are you reading?
It's a mystery novel about a missing diamond.
Ooh, is it good?
It's amazing. I can't put it down.
That's the sign of a good book.
And I did some yoga.
Yoga? That's healthy.
Yes, I'm trying to be more flexible.
How's that going?
Not great. I can't touch my toes.
Me neither. I'm like a wooden board.
A wooden board, perfect description.
So, after I found my frozen phone on Saturday, I also did laundry.
Laundry, the exciting life.
I know, so glamorous.
Do you have a pet, Mr. B?
Yes, I have a dog.
A dog. What kind?
A golden retriever. His name is Max.
Max. I love that name.
He's the best. But he's so silly.
Silly? How?
He steals my socks.
He steals your socks?
Yes, every morning. I find him sleeping on my socks.
That's so cute.
It's cute, but annoying. I can never find matching socks.
Poor Max just loves your socks.
I know. What about you? Do you have pets?
I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Luna. Beautiful name.
She's a gray cat with blue eyes.
She sounds gorgeous.
She is, but she's very dramatic.
Dramatic? How?
She meows like the world is ending if her food bowl is empty.
Cats are so dramatic.
She acts like she's starving, but I fed her an hour ago.
Oscar-worthy performance.
Exactly. She should win an award.
So, that was our weekend. Now, it's a new week.
Yes, today is Tuesday.
Are you busy this week, Anna?
Yes, work is crazy busy.
Always busy.
But I'm excited for tonight.
Tonight? Why? What's happening?
Tonight, I'm meeting my best friend, Sarah.
Sarah, I remember you mentioning her.
Yes, we're going to try a new Thai restaurant.
Thai food. I love Thai food.
Me too. We're so excited.
What will you order?
Definitely pad Thai with extra peanuts.
That sounds delicious.
And maybe spring rolls.
Good choice. Well, I hope the restaurant is amazing.
Me too. I'll tell you tomorrow.
Yes, I want a full review.
Okay. What about next weekend? Do you have plans?
Next weekend. I don't have big plans.
No plans? Just relaxing?
I think if the weather is good, I want to go to the botanical garden.
Oh, the botanical garden? That's beautiful.
Yes, I haven't been in ages.
The flowers are so pretty right now.
I know. I want to take photos.
Are you a photographer?
Amateur photographer. I just like taking pictures.
That sounds wonderful. I love the botanical garden.
Want to come with me?
Really? I'd love to.
Great. It's a plan.
Perfect. What about Sunday? Any plans?
Sunday, I might just stay home and watch more of my detective show.
Haha, more binge watching.
It's my hobby now. What about you, Anna? What are your weekend plans?
Next Saturday, I need to go shopping.
Shopping? For what?
I need new running shoes.
New running shoes? Do you run?
I'm trying to. I want to run a 5K race.
A 5K? That's awesome.
I know. I'm nervous.
When is the race?
In 2 months, so I need to train.
That's so cool. Good luck.
Thank you. I'll need it.
Wow, Anna, we talked so much.
Yes, look at the time.
Time flies when you're having fun.
It really does. This was such a nice chat.
It was. I liked hearing about your pizza-making adventure.
And I loved hearing about your frozen phone.
I'll never live that down.
Never. That's a classic story.
Well, Anna, that's all the time we have for today's episode.
Yes, thank you all so much for listening.
We hope you liked our chat.
This is real daily English conversation.
It is. And before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to Podcast by Mr. B.
Yes, please subscribe.
And if you liked our chat, please give this episode a like.
It helps us so much.
And please share this podcast with your friends or family who are learning English.
Yes, we appreciate it so much.
And we have a question for you.
Ooh, yes, we love your comments.
Please leave a comment for us below.
Tell us, what did you do last weekend?
Yes, did you make pizza? Did you lose something funny like Mr. B?
Or tell us, what will you do next weekend? Do you have exciting plans?
We love to read all of your answers in English.
Yes, we do. Don't be shy.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.